ya mwanya betinge omogusi Nakoya mangano sipia tari koera Egesa Waito Egesa FM Amangana mayegesa FM ingako ya manganonsi
Abagwatani b'ekisemi baboriwe ku bwatesi abari mu bokini amasomo gusi aborigereria tariogo korige bitina tigakero monta kore mirimo yayo mugeni otebinyaribo amasomo ICDE gochebosirwa n'ekyombeke mu ime ya Nyamira ayo manande ngo kwarigania temanya senchira yoboikera no chinsanisa to chiabono botuko
Ikaransuike uyigo kurwa assistation nambeye mo asubu tukibuime Egesa FM ingako ya manganonsi Zakari Mayeka
Gosori yokohegia ya ikosofuo terigento kera serikali ya Kenya Kwanza entamibu na mukagerete na mangana yo waziri wa Burundi wa ime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen oyote banasiasa tibagwanchirwa korokereria bana gisukuru igoro y'ekigosori na bunago tumanya Hillary Kennedy waziri w'egisemi Julius Ogamba otuguteirare chinkuma bune serikali yatangeta abana bwo kurwa kogosori egosori abo igoro nakuru
Abo bisabana nebe serikali bakorwa wono muwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migos Ogamba nigo beyatanire na magana bune serikali nigo yatangeta aboro kuwabe skuli y'abanyaruka ya Butere korokia egosori yabo yokwegia ebwato gotutukano ya Ekosovo okwana ase skuli y'abanyaruka ya St Charles Luanga ichunia county ya Kisii Ogamba niga teruna ewizara yae nigo yabwatetie ogochika wekegambero una aboro kuwabo banyarako bagukora egosori ejo asogotumeka ekopi ejo yarigetwa buritangani nyuma etarakorerwa amaonchirerio
where the court order was clear that the student was supposed to go back to the original play, not the one that had been altered along them. So that is the one that they were ready to present yesterday, but then they were not able to present out of their own. And so there is nothing the government could have done at that point.
Negosio singerera n'abantu bataria bare mu bagwanzirwa kwegeria na kora aborokigwa ase chigosori buna chirichio kwegia.
The issue that was in Nakuru with Butere was not that the government stopped the students from participating. The students were given an opportunity to participate, but then they indicated that they will not be able to proceed because their director was not available. And their director apparently is, or was supposed to be Mr. Malala. But according to the regulations, and I shared that data in my statement, which I refer you to, you can get a script from anybody, but you cannot be the one directing or training the students for that particular play. So that is the disconnect. The disconnect was not that Malala had done the play, it is that he wanted to be the one directing, which is against the regulation.
Orwao umuwaziri w'Uburundi w'ime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen osingerere buna nabo bosibore borogo gokwana telibu yago tumeka aboro tuwabe sukuru kusonsora okungusana na kwege siasa.
I am a full support of free speech, and free speech does not mean insults, does not mean ridicule, does not mean all this kind of things. And I am confident, I am 100% confident that our teachers and our Ministry of Education has the capacity to regulate what is being aired and what's not being. Even in our schools, we need to get politicians out of the school and the students so that you don't have a situation where young kids are running around singing, we will vote for so-and-so, we don't want so-and-so.
Murkomen ogotabne gosori yo ya Ekosovo tie serikali antami noengake.
This is not a new thing. We have gone through all these things for many years. So for someone to think that we are scared when criticism is leveled against the government, that's not true.
Enkwana ya Murkomen kia kwa yugo kabakono muri kibotamba wizara y'Uburundi w'ime Daktari Raymond Omolo oyote biruna serikali tegwanchira bana siasa gutumeka bobe aborku wabe skuru.
Why do we allow politicians to invade the spaces of school-going children who are innocent, who need to be nurtured? And I think as parents and as Kenyans, senior Kenyans, and as adults, we must be able to call it out for what it is. Let our children be children. Let our children be taken to school by those who are competent and qualified. Teachers approved by the Teacher Service Commission, not anyone masquerading to try to poison the minds of our children. For those who want to do politics, because I'm not a politician, there is a space for doing politics. It is not in our classrooms.
Hillary Kennedy Nyona, Egesa FM.
Waziri bw'ekisemi Julius Ogamba oboriwe kwenekia abarimu ngwakano barekinga kikibwenerete anenengaki bagocherokya amatemu amanene ayonkorengana n'omoseneta omochore Esio Kenyuri kinga kiarego kwana somuyega bwogo chengera abarimu emeye skuru y'abanyaruka ya Ichuni yari bari Masabe county ya Kisii Kenyuri nigatogiriye abarimu n'ensemo y'engencho bagokora ase amate eriyo gonchereria magima yabange
redio inononya nase bunge yesene ekera abari mkonya batarakanu chibesa cyoko makia matemu na kwanita mangana yo ase bunge barakanu waziri ntotageti abari mu ababaitekero bako boruchitoro ko makia matemu bachandike ngakyo bwakanu injoyo nteneina narenge bocha ko ba mosene tonya tari bari mbambo atete naenda senye ncheyo Nigomba nchete mono naende ngwaka mpya mono asegasi mwa korete mpaka bono tenene iga nkoba kwanera buno museneta ogokwana aseni yaba yo mugusi aseri bageri na eto
Kenyuri nigaboriri abapwetani bonsi asensemo y'ekisemi gosira abari munakobao moyo kinga kibagenderete gosomi abana gusi igatabire ngencho nereo enene yogokinya kisemi asorogongorwa gusi
nimanye tenga bari mu bwata chi welfare cheino nat kupet egasi nengi amo koraso kwegera bari mbaito genderera igo naende enseme y'ekisemi era akore bya ekaroto ko bwaterana abaibori abarimu abana BOM na teaching staff erineto kini kisemi cheito abantu baminto abarimu mpaka to basire chigasi mogo kora ekyagera ninwe kerorega iga ekero mwakwanire iga Nairobi etogotegerera nchigasi endeo stingo kora ekero nkora mwarimu ngochongeri gware
nomoyega oikeranwa n'abarai ao egati yabo muwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Mugosi wabungo nyaripari Masaba Daniel Manduku murugibo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii May Arati egati yabande.
But you know me, I'm a messenger. I'm not a politician. I don't have much. I want to thank Mheshimiwa Manduku for this good function, and the teachers are very important for the society.
Ikaransuike uyigokurwa assistation nambeye mo asubo tukibuime Egesa FM ingako yamanganonsi
Ekyombe kya EIDU gose enabling impactful digital utilization kyabekirese yoko iwana na serikali ya kaunti Nyamira eriwosire nusu y'ekiskuru kya ECDE ekyombe kekirabwa tokere kiskuru ekisimi kirakonya aborokiwa basomekerero Liliana Vui nomo bisa kuru ekyombe kyo.
We are glad to be part of Nyamira County in an MOU signing, and basically in this MOU we commit to support the county with 50% of their schools. This means we will be providing digital learning in pre-primary schools, PP1 and PP2.
Mugabana bwe county y'Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigatogiriye na wakambuya sobo konyobwo aribotabira serikali ye county nebe kanseme nengo eriokone giskuru kintigariye nusu na kiro kyonkonyora kiro kisimi eki
Nyamira tazo saine obo amate mukuru kwa moyu banse gazo jakire tamu ya kabere wa mwaka yomo auto sikuru to wate mi aina na nane yo bakorichi sikuru 204 watu mianya milioni 20 wasomia bana na wasomia walimu bali wako wasomia watu wako andu digital gadgets mbaru ebyombo bya masomo ndi mbaru abantu wako wasomia igoro ngake ebyombo byotumika igoro era no wama de toje go sign ndi toko bakira myomo
Nchetindi gokoiya bigocha koranje korende nemirimo yanengo kora yoborigereria bwe county yenyamira namangana yo moseneta bwe county yokongo mogeni gochiaso mogabana Amos Nyaribo okwana samatanga ime yanyaikuro kitutu masaba ningana yande boigo ime yaborabu mogeni otebire boika mogabana airerenga kishilingi gwetane bilioni sano chiatumegete nyamira mogeni oyuboigo orategetuo kibigwanda sironga iga ichaniwe nenkira umuroberio yokorindoriwa nonyebesa tayareke bwatokire
Tutakuuliza ukiwa katika kaunti ya Assembly. Tutakuuliza tukikuita Senate ya Nairobi. Tutakuuliza popote tunakupata. Na kama umeiba utarudisha.
CIC Insurance Group yachakirio moroberio bukorwa maigiri ya sabara ichiriwisano bechi cooperative waikiro mwario bumwakoyo igo baguchaka na maigiri ya sabanto chimibere na 50 abo baikirane taso musangirikano era o National Cooperatives Leaders Summit no moroberio orengete ko basemya igoro yekibesa oboteneri oburayi amono kuganya nemechando era se byombe waziri w'ebyombe no bonchero lyobokoboke Wycliffe Oparanya igabwate sirio moroberio yo na otabire no moroberio rakini obomanyi igoro yekibesa otennerio CIC Group Patrick Nyaga otabire amaigeria yo na akini ebyombe kurwa bokorerio buya ase amate ekyombe kyababunga basubati kewopa niko kyaruro koborie nyagitari ya magenesi ekwe yemega yoga koreta arase nyagitari yeye ime yabo machoge burabuye county ya Kisii jikinke magega yo mosubati ore koibura gokweraroro ababunga buo bakorawa nore buye county ya Kisii Donya Doris Saburi yo nyamira jerusha momanyi nigo baika korore birengo bibokoreri ubochenwa segetueke.
Sasa leo tumeangalia Magena dispensary haina kitu, hakuna kitu kabisa. Hata ukisikia mgonjwa anakuja kusaidika hapa unashangaa. So kuna shida mingi from kupata hizi vifaa vya kutumika. Maji kama sasa hakuna, hizi vitu zingine sijui tunaweza sema namna gani.
At this time and age in the 21st century in our country, it is very sad that a mother can lose her life and lose the lives of her children while giving birth. It is a big shame to our country.
Hiyo maternity ward si mahali ambapo mtu anatakana kujifungua, to be honest. Ukiangalia ni kama mtu atakuja kupata more infection kushinda vile hata angejifungua kule nyumbani. Kwa hivyo hii facility inatakana ifungwe ama iweze kuhudumiwa immediately, kwa sababu haifai kabisa kuhudumia mgonjwa yeyote vile tunaitazama.
Ni goba ichani dabunense muyoko ibora tebugati mache estima nonyene bintu binde byengencho baganire serikali ene namoneri ye county ko bugati ngane ye nakone kinye gitari yengo siekwere wayikaya ikiraniriye birengo.
The whole facility is actually quite filthy and the toilets, somebody cannot give birth in a place where the toilets are just next door.
Tumepata maajabu hapa. Hii hata si hospitali, hii ni cattle shed. Hata ng'ombe hazitakikani kukaa mahali kama hapa. Sisi tunaambia Ministry of Health, they swing up very fast to come and close this dispensary immediately.
Ni kama ni mahali ambapo ng'ombe huwa wanawekwa wakati wa mvua. Hakuna hata electricity, hakuna maji.
Ni jambo la kusikitisha na ni jambo la kutamausha. Karne hii ya 21 bado mwanamke anakufa katika hali ya kuzaa. Kuzaa si ugonjwa. Wallahi tusicheze na maisha ya binadamu.
Zakari Mayeka
murai weke makia waipa Kalonzo Musyoka ogike hirege korekia bwateraneti aboroki wa banyaroka besukuru ya Butera Buigoro. Kalonzo yore gukona somo yegabuko mu inyoro murai umukoro bwense mwa Kibaki igatabire keria negekore gekogenda mu minchaneri chiko igasingira iregoro yengencho yogosiko bene bomanye abantu bunari chiko riganetie.
It is an act of criminality against basic values of common decency. It is a direct assault to our democracy and rights of Kenyans as enshrined in our constitution. and Article 33 of our Constitution, which was given to us as a heritage by President Kibaki. Every person has the right to freedom of expression, a right that includes the guarantee for the Butere girls to perform their play without fear or intimidation. The artistic expression is protected under the law.
Niga asingereire igoro yengenche yuno boigo mokonyi bo moraibwen so mokororigati gashawo goikirana ere boigo nabwataya.
And all the people who have come here for this memorial lecture and luncheon for the greatest president of our times. Mzee Mwai Kibaki is a legend. He's a reference point in matters governance. He really dignified government contracts by making sure that contracts were only given when money was available and there was budgetary support. And we want today, as we remember him in a very fond manner, to say there's nothing wrong with the taxation. And Kenyans cannot be accused of refusing to pay taxes. And they didn't complain because they saw a corresponding development and services. Kenyans don't have a problem with paying taxes, but Kenyans have a big problem in paying taxes that they cannot see what the money is doing.
Chidekani komina isana ibere igoro yechinsa isato chiabona botukongo wa kirambia mona sogo chorege saifem samangana mayankoro kwa Zakari Mayeka
omwelio wa mangana mayegesa FM inga